Two insurance giants, each promising protection and peace of mind. But when it comes down to Allstate versus Nationwide, which one truly has your back? On one side, Allstate, trusted by millions for decades. And on the other, Nationwide, renowned for its wide coverage and catchy jingle. Forget the catchy slogans and marketing spin, let's dig into what really matters. We'll break it down category by category, awarding points along the way, so you'll know exactly who's the real winner. And trust me, the final verdict could surprise you. Okay, check this out. Here's our roadmap for today. We're gonna compare these two on price, coverage options, customer service, digital experience, and financial strength. Think of this kind of like a mind map. Price first, then the kind of coverage you get, how they treat you, whether the apps are any good, and of course just how rock solid their finances are. Ready? Let's jump in. Alright, first up, price. With Allstate you get some sweet bundling discounts and even claim-free rewards. But and this is kind of a bummer, in some regions their policies cost more compared to others. Plus, their telematics savings, so those discounts you get for good driving aren't as high as some other companies. Now, Nationwide tends to serve up pretty competitive rates, especially if you're a safe driver. Their usage-based discounts are honestly super easy to qualify for, which is awesome. Just keep in mind, pricing can swing quite a bit from state to state. Between the two, if saving money is your thing, Nationwide squeezes out the win here. Next, coverage options. Allstate has it all. Basic to premium coverages, accident forgiveness, rideshare options, the works. They're also pretty generous for homeowners and renters with some neat extras thrown in. On the flip side, there are some roof exclusions in their homeowners policies, so yeah, keep an eye out if that matters to you. Nationwide, they're super flexible. Tons of customizations, a full suite including pet, life, renters. The unique vanishing deductible is pretty cool too. Some of their add-ons will cost you extra though, so watch for that. Honestly, both give you a lot to work with here, so I'd call this one a tie. Alright, moving on, customer service. Allstate definitely brings it with a large agent network, and they're usually rated above average by J.D. Power when it comes to claims satisfaction, which, can be huge when things go sideways. That said, their phone support sometimes gets mixed reviews. Nationwide also gets you local agents, plus plenty of digital tools, which is convenient these days. But, and here, where it's a bit shaky, their claims satisfaction lately has been a touch below average. So if you value that one-on-one help and smoother claim experiences, Allstate is the winner here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know? Both Allstate and Nationwide actually started off as auto insurance companies way back in the 1930s. Talk about legacy. Let's talk digital experience. Allstate, no joke, has some of the top-rated mobile apps out there, and claim tracking is super quick. Sometimes you might get a weird login glitch, but that's pretty rare. Nationwide's app and online policy management system are super user-friendly too, and paying bills is a breeze. One tiny drawback, a few features still mean talking to an agent. But overall, both are seriously solid here, so I'm gonna call it a tie. And finally, financial strength. Both Allstate and Nationwide, rock solid. They each have an A+ from AM Best, so your policy is backed by companies with a ton of history. Allstate's a market leader and Nationwide's been around almost 100 years. Allstate's had a couple of rare local downgrades, but nothing major, and with Nationwide there's really nothing to note. Bottom line, a tie here as well. They're both built to last. Let's zoom out for a second and look at the big picture. When you stack all the categories side by side, you'll see Nationwide edges ahead on price, Allstate on customer service, and both are really well matched across coverage, digital experience, and financial strength. Interesting, right? So here's the bottom line. If you want those premium coverage options and love having an agent in your corner, Allstate's probably your best bet. But if you're a low-risk, tech-savvy driver and want the best value, Nationwide is going to feel like the winner. Honestly, both are great, you just gotta pick what matters more to you. If this breakdown helped you out, let us know. And hey, if you want more clear and honest insurance rundowns like this, follow along for the next one.